Guys, welcome to Tokyo Disney Sea! Morning guys! So it's our second whole day here in Tokyo. We're going to
Tokyo Disney Sea.
not Disneyland.
So, our route today, it will take us 1 hour and a half. So we're gonna take the JR train from our station here near the hotel, which is Otsuka Station. We're going to Tokyo Station, which is 11 stops. From there, we're going to transfer to the dark red line and go to Maihama Station, which is the home station of Tokyo Disney. So, it looks simple, but
It's gonna take us 1 hour.
yes.
More than 1 hour.
So, makikita mo, tinan mo, marami ng tao na yun naglalakad because it's a weekday. People are going to work.
Today is a Tuesday.
And Otsuka Station is one of the major residential areas here.
So dito merong Works Coffee, News Daily, plus meron na ding elevator for those who who can't use the stairs or escalator. Yan, parating may CR sila sa mga stations. Very busy today kasi workday. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Tokyo Station. Tapos, we'll go to the Keio line. So, hanapin natin where to go. Just follow the arrow. Ayan, may mga signs. Nakikita mo na ba? Ito. Going to the left. Ayan. Ayan. So, go to Keio line. Kasi nasa JR terminal na tayo. Sorry. Ayan. Meron din sa floor. May sign.
Hindi ka talaga maliligaw.
So,
It's very intimidating, but
so anyone can navigate through Japan.
if you notice sa Japan, mayroong mga yellow line dito. This is for those who are visually impaired, yung mga bulag, ganun. So, nag-guide din sila.
Galing, no? Galing talaga sa Japan. Everybody is considered. So, punta muna tayo sa Keio line. So guys, from the Tokyo Station, go to Musashino line and go to platform 2. So, two sides. Doon yung platform 4 and then dito 2. So guys, dito na tayo sa Tokyo Disneyland. So, from the Maihama Station, paglabas, turn left if you're going to Disney Sea. If you're going to Disneyland, you should turn right. And then we still need to ride the Disney train before we can go to Disney Sea. Yung nagtatakbo na yung mga tao. If you're going to Disneyland, walk lang dun. Going to that red arc. So you still need your Suica when you ride the Disney train. So for us, naubos na yung load namin. So mag-reload muna tayo. Nagtatakbuhan sila. So, oh wow, ano yan? May bago sila.
Picture kita, upo ka.
Duffy yung theme ng tren. It's a Duffy themed train. So cute. Guys, ito yung entrance sa Disneyland. Kahit na weekday on a Tuesday, yan, karami yung tao. So, paano na kung bakasyon? So guys, welcome to Tokyo Disney Sea! Ayan, parang hindi weekday. Sa sobrang dami ng tao. Grabe. Parang may mga students din. Na parang naglalakad siya na naka-uniform. So, tama. Tama ang unang advice mo, huwag kampante. So, ito na yung globe. The iconic globe at the entrance. And then first, punta muna tayo sa Fantasy Spring. So, from the entrance, right. So, let's go. Mamaya na tayo mag-picture. Pag natapos na natin lahat ang kailangan gawin para pag nagre-relax, picture na lang. Ay, sobrang daming tao. Again, ang crowd, guys. Sobrang dami. And this is a weekday. It's a Tuesday. And it's not holiday here. So guys, when you go to Disneyland, you should download the Tokyo Disneyland app or Tokyo Disney Sea. So you will be given a choice to click Sea if you're going to the Disney Sea or Tokyo Disneyland. And pagpasok nyo,
Bilisan natin 10 minutes waiting time sa Peter Pan
ngayon, so pwede kayong mag-check if meron mga premium pass that you can book ahead.
Everybody has the same idea.
Para later, pupuntahan nyo na lang siya. Yun na kayo pipila. Like, parang fast pass siya. So right now, since kaka-open lang, medyo mabibilis pa yung mga waiting time sa Fantasy Springs. Ang lamig ng hangin.
Everybody is going to the same place.
Lahat ng crowd papunta doon sa Fantasy Spring. Yan yung pinakabago. That's the latest land here in Disney Sea. Never pa namin to na-try. Kasi before, last time we went here, kailangan mo mag-book ahead. So you can go to the land. Pero hindi kami naka-book. Sobrang dami ng tao. Ngayon, no need for booking. First come, first serve na.
Lagay mo sa bulsa mo.
So mag-heat pack muna tayo kasi sobrang lamig ngayon. So guys, ito na yung entrance sa Fantasy Spring. At may villa ulit. I think kailangan natin pumili.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan?
並びの方は左側のお手伝いで
Akala ko Rapunzel tayo. Hindi ba tayo Rapunzel? Peter Pan tayo?
Alam ko na.
Sige.
Kasi habang simula pa lang.
Ito ang una. Ito ang natin nakita.
Kasi pabalik-balik, di ba?
O sige. After Peter Pan, Rapunzel. So guys, the waiting time is 70 minutes. Ka-open lang 70 minutes agad. Wala tayo.
So nasa inner line na kami ng ride ng Peter Pan. And ang ganda ng decor. So I think yung motif nila dito is the residence of the yung mga The Lost Boys. 'Di ba? Yung mga bata sa Peter Pan. Yan yung parang tree house nila. Diyan sila natutulog, naglalaro. Ayun oh. Yan. Isang ganda, parang gabi, di ba? So, pero actually, so hopefully this is a good sign na malapit na kami sa ride. It actually says 40 minutes nung pumila kami, pero sabi nila naging 70. Pero I think hindi naman ganun kahaba. So, yeah.
Ay, ang galing
Oh, tingnan mo yung clouds. Sino yan? Yung parang may monkey na nag-row ng boat.
Parang bulak. So, ito siya, yung itsura ng ride. So, it's three layer. So, dito tayo sa middle. Okay. So guys, from here, we're going to Rapunzel. So pupunta tayo, we book a fast pass for 1,000 pesos or 2,000 yen per person. Also, while we were lining up, Rester also booked mobile order for our lunch. Para hindi na tayo pipila. So I already paid for it. We already paid for it using the app. So you just need your credit card
Yan ang palatandaan sa Rapunzel.
to be able to do the mobile order. Sa Rapunzel's banquet,
Hindi. Doon tayo sa Frozen.
frozen banquet.
Para after nun, tingnan natin yung ride sa Frozen kung doable ba. Pero kung hindi, we go to the gift shop kasi mga habilin ng mga girls doon. So, we have to hunt for what they want or requested.
Okay. So sabi niya, as of now, ang pila sa Rapunzel is ayan, hanggang dun sa dulo for 200 minutes ang waiting time sa Rapunzel. So might as well just spend 1,000 pesos. Sa Rapunzel's Tower. Yan, ang haba ng pila.
Medyo may time pa tayo kasi 10:15 pa, 10:30 yung ating fast pass. So hindi pa lumalabas ang code. So may 15 minutes pa tayo na pwede mag-ikot-ikot. You can look at the shop. Dito tayo later. Dito tayo dyan. Tingnan natin. Parang western. No?
So may milk tea, may dessert, ducklings, dream, cheeseburger, and fried shrimp burger. Mostly burger. Saan na tayo? You wanna go to the shops? Sa Rapunzel shop?
Asan meron bang Rapunzel? Tingnan natin. May 15 minutes pa naman tayo.
So may 50 kasi ang binook natin is 10:30. 10:35, it's 10:16.
Oo.
So you need to go to the entrance at exactly 10:35. You cannot go earlier, you cannot go late, basta dapat exactly 10:35. I think may allowance 15 minutes from your time 10:35 up to 15 minutes.
Ito na yung Arendelle.
Sa Frozen hindi tayo.
Dito tayo kakain mamaya.
Sa Frozen, try din natin. Siguro after kumain. Ang lamig.
Sa ano eh, sa main dining. Yan tayo, Royal Banquet.
Sa Royal Banquet tayo magla-lunch. Dito. Yan. So, to save on time, better to just do a mobile order. Ano ba yung order mo?
Ito yung standby entrance ng Frozen, no? So, beef ako, ikaw seafood.
Ano yun?
Pie. Ayun, no?
Ay, it's a
Ano mo
pie.
yun dyan? Pakita mo.
Ito yung food dito. Arendale's Royal Set. In Arundel's Royal Set, seafood and beef. So, dalawang klase lang. Then, drinks. Yan yung itsura niya. So, two choices. It's either beef or chicken.
Tayo sa shop sa tuloy.
Sige. So, picture mo na kita. Ako? Sige, picture muna tayo. So guys, yung waiting time sa Frozen Journey, Anna and Elsa's Frozen Journey is 180 minutes or 3 hours. So guys, wala pa lang dito, gift shop sa loob na inside the Fantasy Spring
Go
Land.
to the hotel.
It's in the hotel, which is the other side.
Although most of the items naman available daw sa main gift shop sa entrance.
So doon na lang tayo later sa entrance area magi-gift shop. Ito, saan tayo pupunta? Oh, Arundel.
This is Arundel.
Arundel.
Si R.
Sige, CR na lang. Yung ride ni
Dog sled.